Yeast infection is not stubborn. Like yeast infection that most women complain about is not a stubborn infection. And I'll tell you why I said it's not a stubborn infection. Now, most women end up making this infection to reoccur back to them, and they would not even know what is making it to reoccur back. Now, I'll tell you most of the things that will make that yeast infection to keep reoccurring back even after treatment. The first one is using saliva in your downtown. Most men are fond of using saliva in women's downtown when they are dry. And this saliva contains enzymes that can change the pH of your downtown. It contains chemicals that can change the pH of your downtown. And once the pH of your downtown is changed, then it will give room for bacterial yeast infection. And that's why you keep having yeast infection even after treating yourself. The second thing that will make you to have that recurring yeast infection is not treating your partner. If you are the only woman treating herself, you're not treating your husband alongside with you, maybe because he's not having symptoms, he's not having a place where discharge can come out from, then you end up getting that yeast infection from him. In as much as yeast infection is not primarily a sexually transmitted disease, it doesn't mean you cannot transmit it through your partner. You cannot get it through your partner. So you need to make sure you're always treating yourself alongside with your partner. Number 3, those that abuse ampiclox, antibacterial medications, amoxicillin and others, you will be having recurring yeast infection because those medications can kill the normal floral, the normal healthy bacteria in your downtown that are meant to prevent your downtown from having yeast infection. So when you keep abusing these medications, it can kill those bacteria and you will be at risk of yeast infection. The fourth thing that can make you have recurring yeast infection is using tight underwears and sometimes wet underwears. When you wash your underwears, you're not meant to even dry them in the toilet, in the bathroom. You are meant to take them under the sun, or rather when you wash them, try to press them, use iron to heat them. This can help in killing some of the yeast cells and the bacterial cells in those underwears.